All right, so we got my Pickle Rick backpack. Rick and Morty is one of my favorite shows. And we brought all the GoPro stuff today. Wrist strap and chest strap. And we got the 2 GoPros. So we finna set all this up right now. Let's go. So I got my speaker too. Some batteries. We got the screws. We got these new memory cards.
One. No. You hear me, Mom? So you ready? We are now. Boys, you ready?
Or just pick up the popcorn bucket. Just leave the popcorn. We'll get more. They're only $2.
We got this. We got the first strap, the chest strap, and then we got the wrist strap.
Okay.
So now we got face cam
Mommy.
and the cam to show us the ride.
This is what it looks like in action.